Installing the SpaceGrid II 18x48 grid system is the first step toward better and more efficient retail displays. This new grid from Retail Space Solutions is built to be stronger and easier to install. No tools or previous experience is required. Working from the top, determine the position of the grid to help identify the position for the brackets. The top bracket will hang on the second rung on the grid. Note the corresponding slot in the upright. Each grid section will require 4 brackets, 2 on the right and 2 on the left. Place one of the 2 right side brackets on the upright. To install the second bracket, count down 9 slots from the bottom of the first. This slot indicates the top of your second bracket. Install the left side brackets by inserting them into the slots that align with the brackets at right. Hang the 18x48 grid so that the second rung on the grid rests on the top hook on each side. Check that the grid is also secured on the bottom bracket on each side. Follow these simple steps, and your new SpaceGrid II 18x48 grid system will be ready to support SpaceGrid II pusher trays in just minutes.